This is the tutorial video for your Essentials project. Don't forget there is a quiz in Learning Suite based on this video. First, remember to fill in your name and section here, and don't forget to change the file name to your first and last name as you learned how to do in the class assignments video. Now, here's the assignment. You will submit a report on the most essential characteristics of an eternal companion. This is not a wish list of things you want in a companion, but these are things that if a person does not have, you will not consider them for marriage. We don't want you to be doing this assignment in a vacuum. You must counsel with someone else on this project. If you are not married or engaged, counsel with someone who has been married for at least 5 years to ensure they have enough experience in marriage. If you are married or engaged, do this with your spouse or fiance. Unfortunately, for this assignment, dating couples will not qualify, so basically your ring gives you the right to do this together. As you counsel, you don't have to agree with the person, you just have to try to understand their perspective and points of view. Now, when you report on this assignment, you will do 3 things. First, provide a brief description of what you learned in your counseling session. Second, provide a numbered list of the characteristics you deem are essential. They do not have to be in order of importance. There is no minimum or maximum number we're looking for, but because this is a religion class based on the eternal family, we do require you to show the necessity of God and the gospel in this list. If it does not show up somewhere, somehow in your list, you will lose points. Finally, the bulk of the project is here. You must justify each characteristic in your own words and with 2 authoritative statements from the brethren, general sister leaders, or the scriptures. These quotes don't have to say, "You should never marry this person without this characteristic," but they do need to talk about the importance of those characteristics in marriage and family relationships. For this section, you don't need to use a specific reference format like APA or MLA. We just simply need enough information to know where you found it. Something like the speaker's name and the month and year it was given in conference would be perfect. When you're justifying in your own words, there's no specific length we're looking for, only that you sufficiently justify it. Something like, "It's essential because I think it's important," is simply not enough. Now, we scroll down to where you will actually do the work. Here is where you will put your summary of what you learned talking with your spouse or fiance or married friend. Here is where you will put your numbered list. And here is where your justification goes. To keep things organized and to visualize more easily, we ask that you don't embed your quotes. That's great for an English essay, but for this class, we ask you to provide your justification in one paragraph, like this, and then provide the quotes in separate bullet points, like this. Congratulations, you are now ready to do your Essentials assignment. Don't forget to take the Learning Suite quiz based on this video.